And if you opened up your eyes, you see the blade that's about to kill you. See, my hope is that you listen now, forever missing. Mix my whiskey with some Pepsi. I wish my pops had never made me. Now my patience wearing thin. I know sometimes I get crazy. Oh, I know it's gruesome, but it's how it's gotta go. And oh, I know sometimes you're better off without me all alone. And if you opened up your eyes, you see that death is coming slowly, don't you worry. If you opened up your eyes, you see that death is coming slowly, don't you worry. Oh, don't you worry.